Hey mentees, how are you? I hope you're all well. I wanted to talk to you about the premium features on Facebook that are coming fast, thick and fast. So we have the subscription, the fan subscription, which is the supporters program, and that's now starting to be rolled out to various pages. The second thing is the stars feature, which is Facebook's currency. That's when you do free content and people really like it, they can contribute by sending you stars. And stars are equal to, it's really small, it's only a few pence. But obviously the more you do, the more content you create, the more lives you create, or you perhaps do things for the stars. You could do phone calls, you could do one-to-one consultations, you could do all kinds of different things that people could actually pay you for in stars. And that's something I'm going to explore a little bit more this week. The third thing is this Facebook paid online events, which is being rolled out. And that's where you'll do a live stream and it has admission to it. So Facebook sets the price. I think it's $1.99, $4.99, $9.99 or $19.99. So I've been experimenting with $4.99 45-minute classes and still experimenting with it. I think there's a huge amount of possibility here because keeping people on the Facebook platform where they know, and we all use Facebook a lot, it's easy for people to navigate if they find Zoom difficult. It's just, that's where they meet you. And I think these premium features are going to be really helpful for your business going forward. So how do you get these features? Well, there's some basics, and it might be just worth looking at your Facebook business page and seeing if you're doing these things. So number one is you need to have a minimum of 1,000 page likes. So if you haven't got 1,000 page likes, then again, the ways to do this is to do posts in your groups and on your profile, your personal profile, telling people that liking your page is where they're going to get your premium content on Facebook. So maybe posting at least once every few days and getting people from your personal profile over. And in your groups, you can send invitations for people to like your group, like your page. You can ask other people to send invitations for you, because often if you look in your invitations, you get tons of invitations for so many different pages. And that's a great way, getting referrals. Once you've got over 1,000 page likes, and that is going to be one of the reasons that you could potentially unlock one of the 3 premium features. The second thing is your video and live content. So going live daily, consistently, is a huge plus, and the engagement. So for example, if you ask a question and you get people answering you, or being polarizing, being a bit controversial, being authentic, having an opinion, things that people will want to talk to you about. It's really lovely to go on and go, hi guys, morning, and chat, but maybe have a purpose for your live. So it evokes a response, ask a question, it starts a conversation. And even if at the time when you do your live, you don't get many people watching, maybe as the day goes on, keep popping back and having a look. If there are questions and things, go back in and answer and engage with the people after the live as well. So that's a really big tip. Going live, I mean, again, I keep saying it, but live is the key. It just brings your page alive. I go live every morning because it just spikes the algorithm. The third thing is pre-recorded video content. And it needs to be a minimum of 3 minutes. That's a great way. Now, the amount of watch time. So if you upload 3-minute pre-records, they could be tips, videos, cooking, workouts, chats, rants, anything that is pertinent to your brand. Then again, because the 3-minute mark is where Facebook eventually is going to start to put advertising in. So if you start to get into the habit of doing a minimum of 3 minutes or longer regularly on your page, you pre-record, you put it up there, then again, Facebook will see that as a positive. And the more watch time that you have on those videos, again, that will put you forward for those premium functionalities. So have a little think today, schedule out, when are you going to do your pre-recorded content, schedule it out, where you're going to do your Instagram posts, your video posts, your pre-recorded videos. Have you got a theme for the week? Have you got any masterclasses or specials, or plan them? Or if you haven't got anything planned, maybe plan them for the second half of the month in July, and then plan your launches. So how you're going to launch, what you're going to talk about, how you're going to do a countdown, and then build up to the actual launching of that class or that program or whatever it is. So there are my quick top tips for helping you up the amount of activity that's on your business page, and then hopefully you'll be able to unlock some of those premium monetization features that I think when you're able to plug those into your business, it's going to make a huge difference to not only your revenue, but it's really going to help your business model. So I hope that helps today. Look forward to speaking to you all, working with you all this week, and have a great week.